Yep. Mm. Okay, so it's 9:02 already, so we can start our class. Let's see in between if they join, we can add them. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about SAP and the importance of SAP, everything, right? So I just added that video to YouTube and I shared the link. So people who did not get right today, I'll share that link also. So you can, people who ever missed that class, right, yesterday's demos class, so they can go through that video. So that is enough. Okay, so let me share my screen. Sarvana. Okay. Hello. Hi Sarvana, good morning. Hello. You are there?
Yeah, Rajesh. Hello.
Sarvana just joined, right? Okay, no problem. Let me share my screen. Okay, so let me know once you can able to see my screen. Yeah, able to see my screen?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. I don't know why you turn on. 1 second, every time I'm getting this notification. Any settings? Okay, let it be. So okay, you can able to see my screen, right? So let's go to yesterday's notepad only. So yesterday we discussed about SAP, what is ERP and what is SAP and why SAP is so famous and why it is a market leader in the ERP software. So all are clear on that points, right?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay, and we discussed about modules also. Okay, and why we are choosing SAP basis only. So this also we discussed in the yesterday's class. So people who ever missed yesterday's class, you can just go through that video, you'll be having all the information. Okay, and what are the roles and responsibilities of a basis consultant? So that also we discussed yesterday. And like what type of work will be there for freshers, for 4 years or 5 years people. Okay, so today we will discuss about these topics: networking basics, what are the servers, where we install SAP, few points about Linux. And today we'll discuss, if you have some time, we'll discuss about this cloud topics also. Nowadays these names are so famous, right? So why they are so famous, I will discuss about that. Okay, so yes, basis, everyone knows basis is an admin module for SAP. So being a basis, you should know about networking also, a little bit knowledge, not deep knowledge inside networking. A basic knowledge is must, and a basic knowledge of Linux, basic knowledge of OS is must. Okay, so just SAP software. 1 second, be online. 1 second. Reset. జగదీష్ హలో.
రాజు వాళ్ళ సెషన్ ఉందా?
ఉంది జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. జాయిన్ అయితే ఎవరైనా.
ఓకే కాదు లింక్ సేమ్ లింకా?
సేమ్ లింక్.
మరి అవ్వట్లేదని చెప్తుందండి మా చెల్లి.
మీ చెల్లి ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యి వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకుంటా. మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యి మాట్లాడాను కూడా.
నేను చెప్తాను.
ఓకే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వను. రైట్. Sorry. So for being a basis consultant, we are admins to SAP software, we should know basics about networking, servers, Linux. Okay, so not deeper knowledge in the networking, a basic knowledge is enough. Okay, so first we'll discuss about networking. So anyone who are from the background of networking or a system administrator, anyone in this call?
Yes, Rajesh.
Ishwar, you are there, right? Okay. Hello. Hi, Mohan.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. So what happened? You disconnected, Mohan? Okay. I don't know why this notifications. Okay. So now everyone can able to hear my voice, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay. So I think today new people are joined here. Ranjit. Hi Ranjit, good morning. Hello. Sharvana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you are from?
From Maharashtra.
Okay. From whom you got this link?
Currently living in Hyderabad.
Okay. So from whom you got this link?
Rajesh.
Okay. Hello Ranjit. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi Ranjit, good morning.
Hi, bro. Good morning.
You are from?
I'm from Hyderabad, sir.
Okay. So from whom you got this link?
Rajesh, bro.
Rajesh bro. Okay.
We already meet at your home.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay Ranjit. Okay.
that's me.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so let's continue. So my voice is clear, right, everyone?
Yes, okay, bro.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So being a basis, we should know all these topics also. A basic knowledge, networking knowledge about the servers, about Linux. We should know basic things about all these topics. Being a basis consultant, as we are admins to SAP software. Okay, so it is not just like we have a knowledge only of SAP application. We should have this knowledge also. So let's discuss one by one. So what is networking, like how it works? So I think Mohan, you are aware of networking basis system administrator, right, Mohan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, correct.
Yes. Okay. So I made a small PPT on networking. So let's discuss on that. Mohan, if anything wrong, right, just you can tell me. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So about networking. Okay, so let us assume this is your home. Okay, so you have a laptop, you have a desktop. Okay, so is there anyone who has laptop and desktop at their home in this class? So much of silence. Okay, no one.
I'm using laptop.
Okay, most of them have a laptop. Okay, so let us assume you have a laptop and you have a desktop at your home. Okay, so next obviously you'll take a internet, you'll use a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so for Wi-Fi again you go to some vendor. So there are many providers, right, internet providers, Actbeam, Geo, there are many. So you'll just connect with them. So whatever the plan you want, you just take from them. Okay. So for getting the internet to the desktop, you need a LAN connection, right? So Wi-Fi, I think it is not there. Wi-Fi feature is not there for this desktop, as far as I know. Okay. So for connecting to laptop, yes, directly with the Wi-Fi you can connect. So no need of LAN. LAN option is also there, but not required, right? Okay. So so these are the basics. Everyone knows, right, about this?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay. So next, so every laptop, every desktop will have a IP address and a host name, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So every desktop has a IP address and a host name. Okay. So what we can observe here, so the laptop IP and this desktop IP are different, host names are different. Okay. And this is one network. This is your home and this is your Wi-Fi. This everything is one network. Okay. So if you want to ping this IP 23.45 IP from the laptop, you can able to ping. Okay, because you both are in the same network, you are using same Wi-Fi. Okay. So if you ping 21.45, you can able to ping from here because you are using same network. Suppose a desktop is there, it's connected with the Wi-Fi, and your laptop is connected with your mobile internet, then you cannot able to ping this IP. It's because you are connected to other network which is coming from your mobile. Okay, this is clear, right? This point is clear.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Ping, anyone has a doubt, ping, how you'll ping the system? People who don't know about how to ping can just raise your voice, please. How you'll ping the system from here to here? Can you please answer?
Sir, could you please repeat that again?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, Kitika, right? Okay, sure, definitely we'll repeat, no problem, I have time. Yes, this is the slide we are discussing about. See, Gitika, this is your home. Okay, and you have a laptop and you have a desktop at your home. Okay, so obviously you need internet. You'll take a Wi-Fi connection from XYZ provider. Okay, so for your desktop you need a LAN connection, so the Wi-Fi will not work, right? So you'll set up a cable from the Wi-Fi router to your LAN, and the internet will work here. For coming to laptop, just with the Wi-Fi option you can able to connect. Yes, until here you are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so every laptop, every desktop will have an IP address. Okay, and host name also. Okay, for this also same, there will be an IP address, there will be an host name. So do you know how to check this IP address and how to check this host name? Not only you, Gitika, anyone in this call, apart from system administrators. So please respond at least, so that I can know.
Hi Rajesh.
Yes.
Host name how to check, that is the go to computers and right click on the properties, it will show.
It will show.
Otherwise, otherwise it will show run as administrator. Click on the host name, enter the host name and click on it.
Yes. So any other who knows this point in this class? Ishwar, apart from Ishwar already knows this. Anyone apart from this who don't have idea about how to check the IP address and how to check the host name?
Rajesh, we can check that in command.
Command? Where the
In
command?
command prompt we can check what IP configure. That's a command. We can just check it. Sorry. We can just check it by.
Okay. So any other who don't know this about how to check? So please unmute yourself and just respond whether you know or yes, just tell me. That's all.
You
I
can
won't.
check IP space R command.
IP.
Space R.
Okay. IP sort.
IP space R.
IP space R. Okay, that is a command which you execute on
Yeah,
in the
command.
CMD.
Yeah.
Okay. I never tried. We'll try that. Okay. Any other?
IP config.
Yes. IP config. Yes. By using that we can check.
You have to execute if config also.
If IF is Linux, it is for Linux. Okay. So any other person who knows about how to check IP address and hostname? So I consider it as no. Okay. So this is my laptop, right? This is my laptop. Okay. As I said, every laptop has an IP address, every laptop has an hostname. Okay. So how to check the IP address? Go to Windows Run. Okay, run the CMD. Okay, the command, one second, someone has shown. Okay, where is it? Yeah, open the CMD, run the command ipconfig. Okay, so this is my IP address, my laptop IP address. Okay, so I want to check the host name. The command is host name. So this is my laptop host name. So you can also try in your systems. This command will work. So one person told like IP something R. So what is that command, Sarvana? Even I never
IP space R.
IP space R.
IP space R. Capital R.
IP space R small.
Initially it is working on
Linux level.
putty or mobax from Linux level. That's why
Linux
it is
level.
not working in command line.
Okay, Linux, maybe that works in Linux. I don't know. Okay, I heard this for the first time. Even in Linux also I never used this one, IPR. Okay.
Yeah, already we are using that command.
Okay. Yeah, okay, no problem. So maybe I am not know about this. Okay, so this is clear, right? Geetika, you are clear on this?
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so on this screen everyone are okay, right? So next, so this is your laptop and this is your desktop. So you have some files here, okay, and you have some files here. Okay, some suppose let us assume you have a friend's images here, data here, friends. Suppose SAP documents, you can take SAP documents are there here. Okay, here DevOps AWS documents are there here. Okay, so if you open this laptop, you can only see your files, AWS files only, right, in the drives, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, if you open this laptop, you can see the drives. So in the drives AWS documents are there. You can only open the documents, right? You cannot see this documents in this laptop, right?
Yeah.
But when you are in the same network, you can able to access this system also. Okay, so these are two Windows systems by using an MSDSC. MSDSC is nothing but an RDP, remote desktop connection. Okay, so here you can give the IP address of your desktop from your laptop, and then you click on connect. It will ask for the username and password. If you give that username and password, then the screen of this desktop will open and you can able to see the files of SAP. So it is clear, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Mohan,
Yes,
this
sir.
is correct, right? If anything wrong, you can correct me because I am
Yeah, it is correct.
It
correct,
is
right?
correct.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, until here everyone are clear. Geetika, you are clear, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So if anyone has a doubt, please let me know. We can clear the doubts and then only we'll go to the next slide. So if you have doubt now and after the class you're asking, so you'll miss the second slide also. You won't understand. So everyone, it is clear about this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can access other system data also when you are in the same network. Okay. So
Hello.
yes.
Anna, I have a doubt.
Yes, Anisha, please tell me.
Uh, can you re-explain where we check the IP address and host name?
Okay. So Windows run. Okay. CMD. Okay. Just enter command IP config. This is the IP. Okay. Command for checking host name, HOSTNAME, host name. So this is the host name of my laptop.
Okay.
You are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So anyone has doubts, please you don't hesitate to ask me. We can clear at the time only. Okay. So this setup is clear, right? Next we'll go to the next slide. Okay. So this is my home. Okay, and this is your home. Okay. So as I said, I have a laptop, I have a desktop, I have a Wi-Fi connection provided by some XYZ vendor. Okay. So you also have a laptop, Wi-Fi connection, and internet will be provided by some XYZ vendor. Okay. So next so here also same, my desktop will have a IP address and host name. Here also same, your desktop and have IP address and host name. Okay. So if I want to connect, so I have a AWS documents, you have a SAP documents. So I want to access SAP documents from your desktop. Okay. So if I run mstsc, okay, mstsc, and if I give your IP address, okay, if I click on connect, it will not work. Because I am using other Wi-Fi from other vendor. You are using other Wi-Fi from other vendor. Even suppose I am using Jio, you are using Jio, vendors are same, but it won't work because network is different. My network is different, your network is different, so you cannot able to access like this. Okay. So if you want to access, then you have to allow something in the firewall. So firewall is a main thing that allows or rejects the request from the outside. Okay. Firewall is a main thing which allows and rejects the request from the outside internet network. So this is your home, whatever is outside is internet. Okay, just think like that. So outside your home everything is internet, inside your home is network, is your network. Okay. Now I want to access from here to here. Initially it is not possible, yes, but it is possible when you have a firewall, when you have a VPN. Okay. So VPN is nothing but a virtual private network. So that has to be installed in your network, and a VPN software I have to install here in my desktop. So in the VPN configuration, I have to give some IP address and username password. For this there will be some username and password and IP address. So that IP address and username password I have to give, and I have to connect. Once the VPN is connected, whatever the VPN I have installed here, that is connected, then if I run MSTSC MSTSC, if I give your IP and if I click on connect, it will ask the username and password to connect. If I give the details, then I can able to access your system from my home. Okay, this is a very basic thing I am telling you. If you go deeper into network, lot of things are there, but for us it is not much required. Only a basic networking knowledge is enough for the basis. Okay, this is clear, right? Mohan, anything needs to be corrected here?
Nothing.
Nothing, right? Okay. So actually Mohan is a system administrator, so he has some idea, so that's why I'm asking. We are a basis, just we know a basic knowledge of networking only. Okay, so everyone are clear on this? Geetika, I'm
Yeah.
asking you again. Anusha, one second.
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay, so about this you are clear. So just remember this slide, these two slides. So now going forward, we can correlate this with SAP. Okay, so this is done. I'm closing this PPT. So everyone okay, right? Any doubts? Please ask me. We can clear now only.
Brother, you said that it's between two homes, home 1 and home 2, right? And you just mentioned that it is if they have the both networking same
Both Geo.
internet connections, Geo. In that situation only this is possible, right?
No. You are using ActBeam. I am using Geo. It's possible.
Okay. Any network. Okay.
So any other doubts? Even if it is silly also, please ask me. I was keep on asking this from yesterday. So if you clear the doubts, then only we can move forward. So everyone are clear? Okay, I consider you. Yes, please. Someone has unmuted.
Yes, Rajesh, it is clear. You can move forward.
You can clear, right? Okay, then I am closing this slide. Next, the network, that basics are enough for us. If you go inside networking, right, there is a lot of deep knowledge are there, but that is not much required for us. Okay, and yeah, one more thing I forgot. Where is it? Yes, so so I said, right, IP address. Each and every laptop, desktop has IP address. If you want to ping this IP from your laptop, you have to open CMD ping space this IP address you have to give. Okay, 192.168 dot something. Okay, this command is also important for us. Ping that IP address. Clear, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay. So that's all. I am closing this slide. Hope no one has any doubts. If any doubts, let me know. Okay, so next the topic is servers. About servers. Okay, so as I said yesterday, if you want to install a VLC player. Okay, if you want to install some video players in your laptop, just what you'll do, you'll just go to internet and you'll give the name down VLC download. That file will be downloaded. You'll just double click and next, that will be installed. Okay, so that is a small software, so you can install on your desktop, on your laptop. But when comes to SAP, you cannot install that SAP software in your laptop. That SAP software has to run on the servers only. Okay, on the servers only. Next, now we'll discuss about how the servers will be different types of servers. Okay, so this is a slide about servers. Okay, so when coming to servers, let us assume you have a laptop. So you want to buy a laptop from the market. So what are the things you will check? I'm closing this slide. If you open, just you will read that points. Yes, tell me, if you want to buy a laptop, so what are the things you will check?
Basically RAM and ROM.
Okay.
RAM and ROM also.
Okay. RAM, ROM. Okay. Next, anything else?
And processor.
Processor. Next.
And hard disk, as well as that size of the laptop, the screen display.
Yes, correct. So yes, these are the configurations you are looking for, and you will go to the market and you will check with the vendors. They are different vendors again, Dell, Lenovo, HP. So whoever is providing best price for that configuration, you will take that laptop for your use. Okay, so that is clear, right? So the same way server also has a same thing. Okay, these are the main components in the server. Even if you take laptop also, same motherboard will be there, right? Motherboard will be there, CPU, RAM, hard drive, power supply, network port. So these are the components for the servers. Okay, power supply. If you take a laptop, okay, suppose if you are taking a laptop, if you are taking a desktop as an example, laptop you can carry anywhere, because and you can use it from anywhere, because laptop has a battery. So you can switch on your laptop and you can work from anywhere. Coming to desktop and the CPU, if you carry you require a power, right? There will be no battery inside. A power is required for that desktop. The same way server required all this component, power supply also. It don't have any battery inside, so continuous power should be there. So these are the basic basic components in the server. Just for your information, these are all not required, but being a basis, right, as I said, we are admins, we should have a knowledge of network and servers also, networking little bit. Okay, so that's why I am explaining all this. Okay, just for your information, but these are very, very important points when you are working on real time. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So different type of servers, they are tower servers and rack servers. Okay, so this is same like CPUs, right? In your home, a CPU will look like this only, right? Okay, so rack server will look like this. Okay, so if you say both are same only, servers are mainly built for the users load. If multiple users are working on hello, hi Veera, good morning. Okay, yeah. So coming to servers, there are two types of servers. So tower server and rack server. Okay, so as I said already, SAP you cannot install on your laptop and you can use it. You need a dedicated hardware. Hardware is nothing but server, okay, to install your SAP, your software in it. Okay, these are specially built for running a big softwares. You are running a big software, and to that software many people will connect, so it will take a load, but if you install in a laptop, it is not supported, even it cannot handle the load. So these are like high configuration servers. Like if you take a RAM only, there will be 100, 200, 500, 1 TB RAM only will be there in this servers. Okay, so just remember these 2 points. Okay, not much required, but being a basis you should know about this. Okay, so mostly everywhere they will not use this one, tower servers. These are like in offices, in a small offices. If you are using personally, then only this will be used. Okay, so when coming to rack, these are the only servers used for installing all the softwares. Here also we can install, here also we can install, but it consumes more space, it consumes less space. Okay, this is clear, right? Any doubts?
No, Rajesh.
No. Okay, so I am getting response from Mohan but not from others. Please respond.
Bro, proxy server and file server, database server comes into tower server or back server? They both are same or other?
A database server.
Database server, file server, the data server comes into tower server or back server or rack server. Sorry.
Ranjit. Okay, so yes, we will discuss that point going forward. Today only we'll discuss that point also, but this is just a starting. Okay, we'll discuss that also. We will clear that doubt in the last.
Okay, bro.
Okay, just remember these are the 2 servers, that's all. Okay, so
bro.
yeah, next, data center. So data center will be like this. If you go inside a data center, okay, so these are the racks. These all are racks. So you can see some this one, right, some box rectangle type shape. 1 second, someone has shown. Hi Pavani, good morning. Okay, so data center. So when you go into the data center, you'll see like this, lot of servers will be there. They have kept vertically. These are kind of rack, so that's why they call it as rack servers. So how they are adjusted in the racks means like this. So this is one server. Okay, this is one server, this is one server, this is one server. So here the space is very less, right? It is consuming very less space comparing to tower server. So that's why rack servers are most famous. Okay, so everywhere in the data center they will use rack servers only. Okay, this tower servers are used locally in a suppose you have an office. Okay, you want to run some software. Okay, so you can install it here. Even SAP also you can install it, but if you it consumes a space, right? Locally this is okay. Okay, so when it comes to space, this is the best one, rack space. So everywhere in a data centers, rack servers will be there, not tower servers. Just for your information. Okay, so yeah, like this they will set up and they will give a supply, power supply to this servers. Okay, so this is the data centers look like, how the data centers look like. Next, virtual machines. Anyone heard about this word, virtual machines? Mohan, I think you may have heard apart from Mohan.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 second, I have some questions. Who said yes? Ishwar.
Yeah, my side.
Mohan, okay. Mohan, Ishwar, okay. Apart from,
Yes, I also know that.
okay, Rajesh. Next,
So I also know that.
Sarvan, okay, you also know. Next, anyone, any other on the call?
I know, sir, but little bit confusion.
Okay. So any other people who don't have any idea, please let me know. Like, yes, I don't know.
I
Like,
don't have any idea.
okay. Geetika, yes.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
I just raised my hand just to
By mistake.
tell
Okay.
that I don't know.
Okay.
No idea.
Okay. No idea. Okay. No problem. Yes. Let's discuss that now. Yeah. So few people said like about the VMs. Can you please explain like what are the VMs? So whatever just please explain. Sarvana, Ranjit, Rajesh, apart from
So
Mohan,
in
Ishwar.
virtual machine, we can add the server.
Virtual machine you can add the server. So what that is mean? I don't understand.
Actually, in a single hardware, you can use multiple OS.
Yes, that is correct. Uh, let me explain more clearly. Yeah, Mohan, that is 100% correct. Okay.
To run a different operating system or even to function as the user's entire computer experience.
Okay.
To run a different operating system or even to function as the user's entire computer experience.
Okay.
A server capability to install the 2 or more systems also.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So thanks for your responses. So I'll explain. I'll take one small example and then I'll explain. So it will be clear for you. Okay. So
Okay.
as I said, we mostly not most 100% most of in the data centers rack servers will be there, not tower servers. Okay. So let us consider one example. 1 second. HDD. Okay. So forget about this screen, this image. Okay. Just see about just look at to this part only which I'm highlighting. So this is a rack server. Okay. Next, it has 500 GB of RAM. Okay. HDD is nothing but hard disk. Okay, it has 5 TB. Just an example. Okay. Apart from this, it has other components also, but I am not mentioning here. RAM, CPUs, processors, everything will be there inside. Okay, I am not mentioning here. Okay. So you want to install a software on this server. Suppose not only SAP, other softwares also you can install on this server. So let us we are into SAP, right? So we'll discuss about SAP only. So you have installed one SAP system here. I said, right, you can install SAP only on the servers. So you have installed it. Just assume you have installed it. Okay. Okay, so everything running fine. You are connecting to SAP system in the server and you can able to run everything, every transaction. Next, but the SAP system which is installed in this server, okay, is not using more than 200 GB. Okay, RAM. When coming to hard disk, it is not using more than 1 TB RAM, hard disk. So you want to install one more SAP system. What you will do then? You will buy one more rack server. Okay, for this also okay, now you are aware. Okay, this is using only 200. Okay, I'll buy a hardware with that configuration only. Yes, GB and 1 TB. Okay, you are clear on these points, right? So you have installed a software, but that software is not consuming the configuration which is there in the hard that is what hardware. Okay, it is not consuming more than 200, it is not consuming 1 TB hard disk. So you want to install, you in future you got a requirement, you thought to install one more SAP system, then what you'll do, now you are aware, yes, it is only consuming 200 GB, then you go to the market and you'll buy a server with this configuration, and you have installed it successfully and it will run without any issue. Until here everyone are clear?
Okay, Rajesh.
Next, so what about this remaining 300 GB? So what about this remaining 4 TB? It's waste, right? You already paid a money for this configuration, but you are not using that configuration for your software. Agree everyone? People who are totally freshers, please let me know. Any doubts until here? Geetika, Anusha?
It's clear.
No,
To this
no.
point.
It's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
So that is why what here what happening, okay, software is running, everything is fine, but the configuration is not there, it is not getting fully utilized. So what engineers has did, they developed one software called hypervisor. Okay, if you install a hypervisor in this software, forget about SAP will come later. Okay, after bringing a hard server to your office, okay, first step is to install a hypervisor. Next, once hypervisor is installed, you can segregate the hardware into parts, that is nothing but a virtual machines. So in each and every virtual machines are not, they are different. So these are not connected to this, these are not connected to this. So here you can install one SAP system. So for this VM you can configure. So what configuration you required for this VM? Suppose 200 GB RAM, 1 TB. You can configure. You can install one system here. And for this you want to install one more system, right? For that also you require 200 GB. For this VM you will configure 200 GB with 1 TB. So here what happened? The server configuration is getting fully utilized. So you are not paying money to another rack server, okay, which is very high. These servers are like just 1 lakh, 2 lakhs. If it is a 500 GB RAM, the cost may go 50 to 1 crore, I guess. Even I am not sure exactly, but the cost will be very high. It goes to 50 lakhs, more than 1 crore. I have seen in my implementations, they have buy the servers with 2 crores also. Okay, so these are not cheap servers, these are very high-end servers, and then they are very costly. Okay, so like this, with the use of hypervisor, you can segregate, you can create a VMs, you can configure the whatever the RAM, whatever the hard disk required. On top of it you can install SAP here. Understood? Got the point?
Yes, Rajesh. Yes. Yeah.
So
Yes.
any doubts to anyone? Please raise your hands and you can ask the questions. Even I am interested to clear your doubts.
Rajesh,
No,
I
yes.
have a one doubt.
Yes.
The SAP admins only create that virtual machines, or any server admins will create that virtual machines?
Hardware, bringing the hardware, installing hypervisor, installing virtual machines is not basis task. it's pure Linux administrator work, hardware work. It is not our work. We will not create any VM, we will not install any hypervisor. We just get the details of this server, that's it. We just log in and we will install. This is not our work.
Thank you.
This is not our work.
Yeah.
I am just telling just for the information.
Okay. I got it. Thank you.
Got it, right? So if I tell directly how to install SAP, I can tell it, but you should know the background also. Okay.
Yes.
So that is why I am telling all this. I'm making all these PPTs. Okay. So please try to understand. If anything is not clear, right, just let me know. No problem. We can discuss again and again. Okay. Okay. Anyone?
Okay.
Okay, Rajesh.
That's clear, right? Okay. So next. So we are clear with the servers also now, right? So I am closing this. Networking servers, yes. Where we install SAP, as I said already, we can install SAP only in the servers, only on the servers. Okay. So let's take a same example yesterday what we have discussed. So people who missed the class yesterday, right, just go through that video which I shared with you. So then after, if you see this, it will be clear for you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So this is a example yesterday we discussed, right? Everyone remember this one? First what I'll do, this is your company. Okay, just assume this is your company. Okay, so in company you are running a business. Okay, the same thing again. Array. One second, let's do like this. You have a different departments. Okay, so this is sales, this is inventory, this is HR, this is what else, finance, this is what else are there, inventory, finance, manufacturing something. Okay, so don't get confused, I am just taken this example only. Okay, so in a company there are different departments. Okay, so as I said already, if you are running any business, okay, any business, you need a software. You need a software to enter day-to-day transactions, right? Okay, enter day-to-day transaction. What happened with this? Okay, let it be. So you need a software to enter the daily transactions, right? Suppose you are using some software to let us assume Tally. You are using Tally. I said right, Tally is also an ERP software. Okay, Tally is also an ERP software you are using for your business. Okay, next,
Okay, Rajesh.
next. So your business has increased a lot. Okay, once your business is increased, your transactions will increase. Okay, so this Tally is not enough. Then you decided to install a SAP for running your business, for doing the transactions. So what you will do, I said right, you want SAP and you want to install it. So where you will install that SAP? In the same company, you'll build one room, okay, with AC. Then you will buy that servers. Okay, these small boxes are servers. Okay, just oh sorry, shit. Okay, these red boxes are servers. So everyone are clear until here, right?
Oh yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, so just pause me. If anyone has doubt, just pause me. Please don't listen until last, because you may get confused in middle again. You won't understand the concept. Okay, if any doubts, please ping me. Don't hesitate. We have time. There is no hurry. Okay. Okay, so earlier you were using Tally for your business transactions. Now your business has increased a lot, and Tally is not enough. It is not taking the load for the transactions what you are doing in the company. So finally you decided to take SAP to install SAP in your company. So what you will do, you will buy a servers. Okay, you will prepare one room, you will buy a server from the vendors. Again, there are many vendors in the market. They are also like famous. HP, Dell, like Fujitsu, HP, Dell, Fujitsu, and there are a lot more. Even I don't remember the names. HP will sell. They have a business. They will manufacture the servers and they will sell it to customers. Dell, Fujitsu, like this. Everyone will manufacture the servers and send it to customers. So assume you have taken a HP server. Okay, you have went to all the vendors and you have taken the the quotation, how much server you required. You went to all three, and whoever is giving the best price, from there you'll pick it. Okay, so suppose HP is giving a good price, so you buy that servers and they got delivered to your office. Okay, this is your company and your office. And here it is. Anyone heard name about on-prem? On-prem no one are sleeping, right? It is not boring, right?
No, no.
On-prem. Okay.
Yeah, actually that's on premises, and when we install the servers over the like typical environment.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, Shubham. Yes, please continue.
Yeah, that's on that refers to on premises.
Yeah, on premises means.
Yeah, like when we install servers over typical environment to just to do work and all.
Hmm. Okay.
Like, are you getting? I'm just not providing the brief.
Okay, okay. So any other person, Mohan, apart from Mohan Ishwar? Okay, okay. I'll consider it as no. Let's continue. Where is that? Okay, okay. So on-prem. So on-prem is nothing but on-premises. The name is on-premises. It's because the name on-premises because that customer, this is your company, right? You have bought the servers and you prepared one room. Okay, you built one room and you are keeping all your servers in your office. This is your office, your company, right? Okay, so this is on premises. That's why we call it as on premises servers. Clear?
Oh yeah, Rajesh.
Any other are clear on this point?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay.
Bro, can you explain once again?
Hmm.
Please
I'm confused a little bit.
Yes. Who is that? Vipul and
Ranjit.
Ranjit. Okay, okay. So Ranjit, just assume this is your company.
Okay.
Okay, this is your company. Okay, in Hyderabad at Madhapur. Okay, this is your land. Okay, so in this land you established a company. In company there are many departments, right? Okay,
Yeah.
you are using the Tally software for your business for doing day-to-day transactions. Okay, so your business has grown up a lot and this Tally software is not enough for running your business. So then what you decided to install SAP. Okay, so then what happens, you decided SAP. For installing SAP you required a servers. You went to vendors and you bought that servers and you placed it in your office. Okay, so servers which are placed in your office or in your company, in your own company, are called on premises servers. Clear? So Vipul, you
Yeah,
have
clear, bro.
Vipul, you have some doubt,
Yeah.
right?
No.
It is clear.
On-prem servers.
Yeah, nothing but on-prem servers which are there in the office, in your own company, that are called on-prem servers. Okay,
Okay.
this is clear.
Yeah, okay, clear, bro.
So then what you'll do, you have bought the servers. Next you will install SAP in these servers. Okay, from next, after installing SAP, this sales, this inventory, HR, FI, MM will access this SAP servers. Okay, access this SAP servers to enter a day-to-day transactions. Earlier they were using Tally, now they will use SAP to enter day-to-day transactions. So you are clear on this, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay.
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay, so on-prem you are clear, or on-prem you are clear. Next we will take one more example. So nowadays everyone are hearing more about cloud. So what is cloud? So anyone has idea? Even Mohan, Ishwar, anyone can speak. Anyone who knows about cloud, what is cloud?
Hello, Rajesh.
Hmm.
Actually, cloud are the online storage platform
Hmm.
which are used to like a container database online only, so that anyone can access from anywhere.
Okay. Online. So what do you mean by online?
Online and on internet, like it's not a typical database in typical previous oldest times we have the hard disks and all. It's not like that. We can just access the data anywhere and anytime.
Okay. So there will be no hard disk, no RAM like that in the cloud.
Sorry.
There
Yeah,
will be
bro.
no hard disk, no RAM like that, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So next, Ranjit. Yes,
And
please.
Virtuals are not physical servers running in a cloud computing environment that can be accessed on demand by unlimited users.
So I did not follow. Please repeat once again.
Virtual, not physical servers running in a cloud computing environment
Hmm.
that can be accessed on demand by unlimited users. I know that little bit.
Okay. The definition is little bit confusing. Okay. Okay. Next, Mohan.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next, Mohan.
yeah, yeah. Hi Rajesh.
Hmm.
Actually, in this cloud, we no need to use the any hardware.
Hmm.
So you can use any one particular mail ID, and after that you can save it all the data. So
Okay.
it is unlimited. Sometimes the providing for the based on the company, like our company is providing t terabyte.
Hmm.
So at 5 terabyte, so you can use 5 terabyte data in the cloud.
Okay.
So if you are saving the data in the OneDrive, in hardware, if you are facing any issue in the hardware, like hardware crash or any voice crash, at the time you can use another laptop or desktop. You can log in with your mail ID OneDrive. The data is already appeared.
Okay. Okay. So you are suppose you have 5 TB data in your laptop. You want to store it on a cloud. Okay. So
Yes,
where that
exactly.
data will be saved in a cloud? Okay. In cloud it
So
will save.
so you can,
Where
yeah.
exactly? In cloud it will save. Any idea?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. No problem. Next, Ishwar. You may have
Yeah,
idea.
Rajesh.
Yes.
Actually, is their own data center, whatever it is for Google,
Hmm.
for example.
Hmm.
Google data center is there.
Hmm.
They can maintain the entire infrastructure over there.
Hmm.
The data can be saved over there. That is data centers.
Data centers. Okay. Okay. So what you're telling is they have servers, and whatever we send, they save it in the server.
Correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So next, anyone? Anyone? Okay. Let's continue. Okay. So on this example, you are clear, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Next, we'll take same example. Departments. Okay. This is your company. Where is it? Home. These are all departments, as I said. Sales, FICO, FICO, what else? Inventory, HR. Okay. So your company, you have departments, and this is your office in Hyderabad, Madhapur. Okay. So now you finally decided to take SAP for your daily transactions. So what you did, you went to the hardware partners, and you prepared one room, and you kept all the servers in the one room. Then after, all the department employees will connect to that server, and they will enter the transactions. So this is clear, right, until here? So
Yes.
yes. Next, so suppose if you are doing like this, okay, you buy a server and you kept it here. Okay. So they are accessing, everyone accessing, everything is going good, fine, but you need a security, for this room. Security means not a person standing outside of this room. Okay, nowadays hackers are there, so they will come to your network. This is your network, right? Just correlate with that example which I discussed earlier about the network. This is your internet. Okay, this is your home. Inside home there are departments. Inside home there is one room, in that room there are servers. So for all this home there will be one internet, right? So it will be one network. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, Rajesh.
So nowadays hackers are there, they are very talented, they can come inside your network, they can delete whatever there in the server. They can come into your network and they can delete whatever they want to delete. Okay, so don't know why these people are so talented, very talented. In terms of, if you ask me, hackers are so talented, even after a restrictions also they can come inside and they can delete the data. So these people are so much of talented hackers. Okay, so here, so what you have to do, like, okay, hackers are there, so they will come and delete the data. So here what you have to do, you have to hire some people, networking people, for making this as secure. Okay, you have to hire some cyber security team to make this network as secure. So you have to hire a people. Okay, these are the team, you can say. Okay, cyber security networking. I'll write here, if not cyber security networking. So you'll hire these two people for making this room as secure. Okay, so even after hackers are coming and deleting the data, I said, right, these people are so talented, they are coming into the network and deleting even after a secure network. Okay, so nowadays customers are worried about the data security. So see, so you are running I said already, you are running 1,000 crore business. Okay, 1 lakh crore business per year. Okay, server cost is 1 crore. Okay, let us assume 2 crore. Customer will not worry about the server. Customer is worried only about the data inside that server. Agree?
Yes, Rajesh.
Because
Yes.
if data is deleted, don't know what transactions are done, how much money he has to get, how much money he has to pay. So whole business will be gone, will be zero. So data is very crucial. Server, he will not even bother. Customer not even bother about the server. Even if he buy 10 crore server also, he will not bother. But the data inside the server is very important, because so he is running a business from 10 years. So 10 years data will be there inside this server, which is very important, very crucial. Okay, you understand this point, right? So what customers are doing, they are hiring some cyber security team and networking team in their office. Again, the customer is paying salaries, high salaries. Again, these are not like a cheaper team, right? Networking, security, cyber security, they are high paid, they are also high paid salaries, man. So they are paying salaries, lot of salaries, to make this as secure, even though hackers are coming and they are doing deletions of the data. What they will do, they just simply delete the data. So you may get a doubt, so what they will get if I delete the data? So anyone has this doubt? Anyone? Please respond. I am talking.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes.
What they will get if they delete the data? People like freshers, think logically. What they will get?
I think they are also hired by some people to capture the data of other companies, and
Okay.
they
Okay.
pay for them also.
Okay. So okay. Okay. Who is this? Geetika, right? Geetika, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you are telling these are also hired for deleting the data, or deleting the data. You are telling like that, right? Deleting data.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if a company is there, company name called hacking. So they have a people. Okay, the boss told go and delete Geetika's company's data. So he'll come and delete. Okay, he'll come and delete. So he deleted the data. Okay, so what is the use of deleting for them?
We lose the data, and we can't make our work further process.
Okay. Okay. So
We
yes,
can't take that. We'll lose financially also.
we lose financially, correct. But for them, what is the use? See, coming into the network, it's not easy. I said, right, they are very talented people. So they just come and delete it. Your entire business is gone. So what is the use for them? I'm asking this question. Anyone can answer.
In a competitive spirit, there is helpful to other company.
Sorry?
It is also like a profession. Like we are like one. We work for basis, some work for network. Like that, they are also working to hack the market.
No. Vidika, very no. That is not a profession. Doing hacking, it's a criminal, right? It is a criminal thing. Deleting someone's data, someone's business data. It's not a profession. Hacking is not a profession. So
For
suppose
them, they feel it as profession, right?
yeah, they feel it as profession. So why they are feeling it as profession? That is what I am asking. Yes, they have learned many hacking things, and they feel it as a profession, and they are deleting data. So what they are getting? Happiness, huh?
Revenge or fame,
That
I
is for
think.
sure.
Sir, I think revenge or fame or something political statement issues.
Political statement issue. Oh, super.
Revenge or fame also.
Revenge. Okay, good answer. Okay. Okay.
When they are able to delete the data, I think they can also take the data and misuse, right, sir?
Misuse. Okay. Good. Any other things?
Rajesh, they are demand such money about that.
Who is this?
Ishwar.
Ishwar. Yes, Ishwar, you are 100% correct.
It's the
They will delete the data, they will copy the data to their systems, and then they will demand for the money. Geetika, I have deleted the data of your company. If you need your data, you have to pay money, this much of money, then only I will give the data to you again. Then what Geetika will do? Geetika, just answer to this question. What you will do?
Obviously, if my team can get it back, it's okay. Then, if not, I have to go with this demand.
Hmm? Then if you are
If
getting
my
data, okay.
team, my office,
If you are
it's
not
okay.
getting,
Then, if not, I have to go with his demand.
yes, you have to go with his demand. So here what happened, hacker is getting benefited, right? He is getting some money from you, so that is why they will do it. They won't do for happiness, they won't do for revenge. So it is not so easy getting into network and deleting data and copying data to their server. So I said already, they are highly talented. Don't know why they will do this kind of works, but they are highly talented. So that is what they will delete data, they will demand money from you, and they will give back that data. It is not 100%. Sometimes after taking money they will not. I have seen in my experience, server got deleted, the data inside the server is deleted, and they are asking money. So they will not give a bank account, they will not give any UPI ID or phone pay number to transfer money. Okay, they are sitting somewhere, no one knows, they just ask money in terms of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized one, it don't have any authority, so they always demand money in terms of Bitcoins only. They will not tell their account number, then phone pay UPI number. They just tell account number of their that Bitcoin account will be there, so they just give that, just you have to transfer that Bitcoins, that's all. It is clear, right? Everyone are clear on this?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, Ishwar. So what you said is 100% correct. They will demand money. So that is the reason they try to hack. They always try to attack big companies because they has a lot of data, right? Which is very crucial. So nowadays customers are worried
So,
about this. Yeah, Geetika, any questions? Let me know. We can clear that and then we can continue.
you also said that sometimes they demand for money
Hmm.
after providing the amount. They don't give the data. Sometimes the cheaters, right?
Yes, correct.
In that situation, how the company is going to handle, means they lost the data, then how they going to proceed with the other works and all.
Then you are gone totally.
Customers.
Then you are totally gone.
Business is zero.
Zero. You are gone totally.
Okay.
Okay. So nowadays customers are worried about this. So much of worried about this. So they are they are planning not to keep their servers in their office. Okay. So that's why cloud came into picture. Let us take any cloud providers now, AWS. Okay. So Mohan, you said right, you have some 5 TB data and you are copying to some cloud, right?
Yes.
You are copying some data to cloud. Data to cloud. Here also in cloud also same, you have a physical server same as on-prem. There is not at all difference, there is no difference. Here also you have a physical servers, you will be giving any of the server, you will just copy that data to the server. Okay, got it? Your doubt is clear right now, Mohan?
Yeah,
Okay.
once again repeat.
So you said this is your system, suppose, okay, you are copying some 5 TB data to cloud. So you don't know, right, where that data is getting stored.
Yes.
Okay, so in cloud also it is same as on-prem. They'll also have one data center. Okay, in that data center they will maintain physical servers, same as our on-prem. So here it is room. In room we have only 3. When it comes to cloud, they buy entire building, entire floor. In that floor they will keep the servers, and so your data will be saved in any of the server in that building. Got it right? It's clear to everyone?
Oh, yes, got it.
Got it right? So Ishwar, what you said is correct, 100% correct. Google will maintain the servers. Our data will be stored in that servers. So again, you did not get any doubt, like, yeah, here also servers, so hackers can come here and they can delete. No one get this doubt?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, so here when it's come to on-prem, when it come to on-prem, I said, what is it? So team, please listen each and every point very carefully. If you miss somewhere, right, you will not understand the next topics. Okay, so this is on-prem. You are maintaining servers here and you are copying the data, and for this you are hiring some network team, right? Network and cyber security team, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, Rajesh.
the same way cloud will also, the cloud AWS cloud will also hire some cloud team and network team, cyber security and network team here also. So here the team are highly talented. They will maintain all the security parameters for making this data center as secure. Data center are secure. So even though I said, right, hackers are so much of talented, don't know why they will do this kind of work. Even
Because they can't, like us, we can't, they can't demand salaries, right, sir?
what?
We can't demand a salary with our boss.
So that's why they are
So they are demanding that way.
no so okay, they are doing that thing, but that is not correct, right? You are deleting someone's data and asking money data. That is not correct, right? See, if your boss is company is not giving a salary, you will learn hacking and you will delete someone data and you will demand the money. That is correct?
Not like that, sir. Just for fun saying that.
Yeah. So actually this is not the correct thing. So even though they had a chance, it has a chance that they'll come and delete your data in this data center, in this particular server your data getting saved, suppose. So they will try hard and they will delete the data and they will demand money from you. Okay, but a hacker entering into AWS network is not as easy in the on-prem. Okay, so it is very difficult to get into the AWS network. Suppose hacker came, he is highly talented, he came inside AWS also and he deleted the data, right? So then your data will be lost. But here in this case the responsibility of the data is totally with AWS. What they will do, you are copying data to this server, right? What they will do, they will have one more second. they will have one more server in other location. They will have one more server in other location. So what they will do, you are copying data to this server only. What they will do, they will copy that data to other data center. Okay, so you don't know where again your data is copying to which server in AWS. You don't know that. So they just assure you that 99.9% your data will be safe. That's all. So you are just copying to this server, they will copy to this server again. Okay, so now what happened, your server is safe, your data is safe. Yes, hacker is so much talented, he came to know that AWS is copying that data to this server, this data center. You got this doubt? Anyone got this doubt?
Yes, sir.
Then what hacker will do?
Yes.
Then hacker knows the data will be copied here and here. Then what hacker will do? Hacker will delete data from here and here. So then what is the use of on-prem and cloud? It is same, right? Data will be deleted here, data will be deleted here. So that's why what AWS will do, AWS will copy data to multiple DCs. DCs are
You can
nothing.
call high availability.
Multiple.
So we
No, no, no.
can.
Don't discuss about high availability. That is different. That we will discuss later. Okay, this box are nothing but data centers. So they will copy the data to different data centers. Okay, so now it's very difficult for a hacker to hack each and every network of AWS. Anyhow, it is more secure. They can't even enter into the first data center also to enter and delete. So that much security will be there for AWS. So suppose a hacker is good, he can delete 1 and 2, but again the data will be there in 3 and 4. So that's why every customer are interested in cloud now. They don't want to risk their business keeping servers in the on-prem. It's clear, everyone? Anyone has doubt?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Clear, right?
No. Yes,
All right.
clear.
Shivam, you are clear, right, Shivam?
Have a secure data.
Any doubts to anyone? Please respond.
Rajesh, have a doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, as we keep on increasing the security, like
Pavani, your voice is
servers
not clear. Can you please repeat again?
see, as we are storing data, the huge number of storages, right? Servers. Cost of it increases.
Your voice is not clear.
Cloud have a different storages.
Audible right now?
Yes, audible. You are audible now.
Yeah. See, we are storing the data continuously in number of storages. If we keep on storing the data in multiple places, the cost of it increases, right?
No. So suppose you have taken 5 TB here, right? 5 TB data. So you will pay only for 5 TB. You will not pay for this. This is totally a response. Your data has to be secure, right? It is totally an AWS responsibility. So that's why they are they are copying your data to other servers also. They will not charge for this. They only charge for this 5 TB. It's clear?
Okay, Rajesh, clear. I have also doubt here. Now clear.
Okay. So any other doubts?
No, Rajesh.
It's clear, right? So yeah, Pavani,
No, bro. It's
as
all
you
clear.
said, you asked like it is copying in multiple servers. What about the costing? So here customer has to pay 5 TB, here 5 TB, here 5 TB, here 5 TB. Then customer will not show interest. Array,
Yeah, cost effective, no? That's why I have answered out here. Now, clear.
so the customer will not show interest, right? Array, I have only 5 TB data. I have to pay 20 TB. Why? So that is what AWS is. Not only AWS, Azure and GCP. So you know, right? AWS, Azure, GCP, they are biggest cloud providers. So they all have the same business. They have multiple data centers in multiple regions, multiple locations, and they are renting their servers for the customers. So this is cloud. Now everyone are clear on this cloud topic?
Yes or no?
Yeah, Rajesh.
It's clear, right? So here customer is getting benefited. I'll tell you why. See, here customer, suppose you are implementing in on-prem, you are buying a server. Okay, you are buying a server, you are setting up, you are hiring security, networking team, hardware team for initial configurations, everything here. Okay, so the server cost, suppose it's 500 TB RAM, so cost may go to 1 crore 50 lakhs like that. So here 3 servers 1.5 crore. So just for 3 servers he has given a cost about 1.5. Again the salaries to this team. Next they have to maintain security, and again it is risky. Okay, so now what AWS is telling, please install your softwares in cloud. I will give you the server in a rent. I will not give it totally. You have to take a rent and you have to install it on a monthly daily. It's like hourly billing, or every minute billing will be there. So how much you will use, that much only you have to pay. So here customer is benefited, right? He is initially paying 1.5 crore. Okay, suppose 500 TB RAM he's installed SAP system, but it is not getting used. 300 is also not getting used, only 200 is getting used. 500 is waste for him. Okay, so if he go to cloud, he only using 200, he will pay only 200, that to rent, only rent he'll pay. With that only rent he'll pay, and here he can eliminate cyber security team, networking team, no need to build a room, nothing to maintain, everything will be taken care by AWS only. So, and here your data has a guarantee 99.9%. No one will tell like 100%. If you see in anywhere in Azure GCP, they will tell 99.9, but it is 100% only, but they will tell it as 99.9. Okay, you're clear on this topics, right? Please respond.
Yes, Rajesh.
AWS is also its own limitations, no?
No limitation. So if you want to buy a server with high configuration, you can buy it. And server with RAM, I think more than even I don't know the exact number, but I think 660 TB 70 TB RAM also we can use in the AWS.
Okay,
there is no limitation. Very high configuration servers will be there. If you want that server, you can take it as a rent.
Okay, Rajesh. Yes.
Okay, so everything to freshers who are new, everyone are clear on these topics, right?
Okay, bro.
Okay, so yeah, nowadays these are very important. So even I had many confusions even until I have 4 to 5 years of experience also. I don't know about this. So this all like my experience I'm just sharing with you. If you go to any institute, right, they will not teach you like this. Okay, next what are the topics? Right, now you are clear on this 3 topics, right? Next few topics about, and we discussed about this also completed few topics about Linux. Next on this servers, I said on this servers, this is one, suppose let us assume this only. Okay, this server you buy 500 TB RAM. Okay, this, there is one example, there is a PPT. Again we'll go back, so that's why I'm telling you, you have to be clear on the back topics, then only you'll understand. Again we'll come here to the screen. Where is it? Okay, so you have bought one server with 500 GB RAM. Okay, you buy it. Next, again the same thing you will do. You will install hypervisor, you will install virtual machines. Okay, in the cloud also it is same. This is physical server with 1 TB RAM. Okay, so suppose here Geetika is there and Rajesh is there and Ranjit is there. So they have 3 companies. They want their software to run on cloud. Okay, so each one requires 300 GB. Okay, so here in the cloud it has 1 TB. Let us assume 1 TB server. So these 3 companies will create here AWS will create 3 virtual machines, 300 300 300. Okay, so these 3 companies can install their software on that virtual machines. Got my point, right? So this is server. I am writing here. Right. Okay, this is server, nothing but this one in the cloud. Okay, so each company required 300 GB. This is one physical server. Physical server is nothing but this one, physical, we call it as this physical server. Okay, inside this we will have virtual machines. Okay, just think logically, nothing more in this. Okay, so three different companies are there. Suppose a cloud provider, suppose one company came and he required 300. So what AWS will do, will create 300 GB virtual machine and he'll give it to that company. Okay, like company 1, I'll write it as here 1 2 3. So what that AWS will do, this 300 DB will be given to company 1. Okay, again one more customer came to AWS, company 2 came to AWS and asked like, I want to install my software, so I need 300 GB RAM. So what he will do, he will not give another server, because so this is server, this physical server is used for this company. So he will he don't say like this is not at all agreed. He can give this server to this virtual machine to some other company. Okay, and again one more company came, here there is 300 GB remaining, so he can give this. So here on one physical box, on one physical server, 3 companies data is there, right? These are all virtual machines. Team, you are clear, right? Tell me if any doubts.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay.
Yes, Rajesh. No doubt.
So here 3 companies data is there only in one physical server. If this physical server is gone, someone get hacked, someone hacked the server, so all 3 companies data will be gone. But they have promised, right? 99.9% your data will be not gone. So what they will do again, from this VM they will copy to other data center, from this VM they will copy to other data center, from this VM they will copy to other data center, so that even if the physical server is gone, data will be there in other data centers. They will restore back and give it to the customers. That's all. Clear on these topics?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes. Yeah,
Yes, bro. Clear.
everything is clear, right? Yeah. So this is how nowadays cloud is working, uh, uh, for not only for SAP. There are many softwares in the market. There is no only SAP in the market. There are many softwares which are very big. Let us take example Netflix is there, right? You'll watch movies, everything. You'll just take a subscription and you just log in and you'll just watch the movie. Okay, so Netflix is hosted in AWS. Okay, Netflix is hosted in AWS. Initially Netflix is very small company. Okay, before 10 years before, no one knows Netflix. Now Netflix is very famous. Okay, everyone are taking subscriptions, everyone are watching movies in the Netflix. So what happened, in the years when the demand of the Netflix got increased. Okay, so then what they will do, so already he purchased with 300. Suppose let us assume Netflix has taken a rent of 300 GB server. So but coming more years are increasing, the demand is increasing, it is getting popular. Next, what it has a scalability feature, they will automatically they can increase the RAM as per the use. So Netflix knows that after 10 years my demand will be increased, so now only I'll buy a 1 TB server. So unnecessarily he has to pay 700 GB rent, right? If he take 1 TB server 10 years back and he is using only 300, no use, right? Unnecessarily he is paying 700 GB rent. So that is the main feature cloud has. Whatever the RAM configuration you want, you can take that only. If you required more, you can increase it as per your demand. Again the demand, if a demand goes down for the Netflix, currently it is 1 TB, again they want, the demand is gone, so they don't require 1 TB server. They again they came back to, they want only 300. They can decrease the configuration again. So this type of many features are there in cloud. So that's why people are so interested, companies are so interested in the cloud. So that's why cloud technologies are booming now. You are clear?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Clear. So if not only as I am saying every time, not only SAP, there are many other good companies, softwares are there which are very good, very high demanding, like Azure, GCP, AWS. If you learn anything, you will be having very good career. Even I suggested to many of my relatives also to learn this cloud technologies. Okay, so now what happening in a recent days, I said, right, they are customers are not interested to keep their servers in on-prem. Now every SAP customer, see, I said SAP data inside the server is very important. Customer will not care about the server, least bother. They will not care about the server. The data inside the server they will care about. Okay, so this is very important for them. So what they will do, what they are doing now, they are migrating their on-prem servers to cloud. They are migrating on-prem servers to cloud. This is called a migration from on-prem to cloud. It's called as migration. So you are clear, right, on this topics?
Yes, and yes, and
So clear.
So
Yes.
next about Linux. Until here everything is done about GCP cloud, everything is done about Linux. We'll talk about Linux. Nowadays only this OS is very famous. So we know this is my laptop. Okay, this is my laptop. In my laptop Windows OS is installed, correct? Okay, if I open the drive, see I have these many drives, E, D, F, G something. Okay, I want to see the RAM properties. See 8 GB RAM I have. Okay, some processor, Intel processor, my host name. So this information will be there. The same way Linux OS also same, but Linux will not have any screen. It has to access via some third party tools. See, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
So if you open a drive, okay, 1 second, I think charging is gone. If you open a drive, you can see all the drives, but when it comes to Linux, there is no screen like D drive, E drive, F drive. It will be like this only. You have to connect to Linux server, okay, by using some third party tools. The third party tools we will discuss later. Once you use the tool, you will get this screen, this type of screen. In this you have to execute the command. So you want to check the spaces of the server, Linux server. There is a command df-h. By using that you will know. So what are the sizes. You want to check the RAM, you will have a command again. So you have to learn this. Basics. It is not like a Linux administrator. A basic commands is enough. It won't take more than 2 or 3 days to learn this. Just a commands you should know. Like, okay, if I want to move, suppose in Windows, you know, if I want to move a file from this folder to this folder, you know, Control C and Control V, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but in Linux copy paste will be not there. You have to do with the commands only. Everything is command here. So that commands you have to learn. So it won't take much time to learn those commands. Okay, cloud topics, these are already done. I think class is going almost 2 hours, so everyone are bored, I guess.
No, bro.
No, Rajesh.
Is it interesting?
Not like that.
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, so actually yesterday I said about only SAP and its importance, why we have to choose SAP. So I said already, when you are selecting any technology, you should know about the technology, how important, how big it is, how demanding it is. So that will be your first step to choosing that software. So that's why I explained about SAP yesterday. So that all are not required, but I explained you, you should know about SAP. Few people don't know, like what is SAP also. Even I don't know about SAP when I taken the training, and even after joining also I don't know. After joining only I know about SAP, how important SAP is, how critical SAP is. Okay, so this is done and this is done. Okay, Next we'll talk about some time, and then after we can close it. Next, what? Reality. Yeah, we'll talk this reality about SAP in the market. Market means not ERP market, just in our market, IT market. So coming to people who are freshers, let's talk about the jobs on this SAP. For freshers, here I'm writing very less. Okay, I'm using 3 varies because you understand jobs on a SAP for freshers are very less. I will not tell like you just prepare SAP and you'll try, you'll get a job. I should not tell like that, because you may feel like Rajesh told like jobs are there for freshers also, I have put so much of effort, now openings are not there. Okay, so I am telling you clearly, freshers jobs are very less in the market. This is reality. Maybe you don't know about other trainees, it's about me. I just tell whatever there in the market, what is the fact. Okay, very less. It doesn't mean like you will not get a fresher job. I joined to SAP as a fresher only in 2016, but I said right, I completed my BTech in 2015. After 1 year I got a job, after doing so much of hard work, after doing a lot of research, lot of searches of the company. Okay, so almost for me it has taken 1 year. At the time fresher jobs are very less. Okay, now in 2023 I can remove 2 varies. Okay, I'll keep one more. If a fresher if you are not getting job, again you will come to me. Okay, 2 varies. So it is not like 2015, I have a LinkedIn profile. So I personally have a LinkedIn profile. I have more than 4 to 5,000 connections of SAP and HRs around India, around globe. In that LinkedIn, I regularly seeing nowadays they are hiring for freshers. I never seen this one in 2015, 16, 17. In my past experience, I have seen very less openings for freshers. Nowadays I am seeing, and I created one group also for few people. Whenever there is an opening, right, I'll take a screenshot and I'll send it to that group.
Yeah, bro, I heard about that. Please add me on that group.
Yes, I think few are there already in that group, like Rajesh, Vipul.
No, bro.
Hello?
No, bro, I'm Ranjit.
Okay, Ranjit. Okay, Vipul, there
Please
is a
add me on that group.
Yeah, sure, definitely I'll add in that group. You can just send a hi message to my WhatsApp number, the same WhatsApp number I will add to that group.
Bro.
Okay, so nowadays nowadays freshers hirings are there, but it is not so easy. It is little difficult only. Okay, getting a fresher. So minimum you should have 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years. I'm just stopping this. It's